Climate change. Imagine waking up one morning to find that the rules of nature have quietly changed. Summers feel hotter than before. Storms are stronger. Ice that existed for thousands of years is disappearing. This is not science fiction. This is climate change. Climate change refers to long-term changes in Earth's average temperature and weather patterns. The Earth's climate has always changed naturally, but what makes today's climate change different is speed. Over the past 150 years, global temperatures have risen much faster than at any time in recent history. And the main reason is human activity. To understand why, we need to look at something called the greenhouse effect. Earth is surrounded by gases, like carbon dioxide and methane, that trap heat from the sun. This natural process keeps our planet warm enough for life. But since the Industrial Revolution, humans have burned massive amounts of coal, oil, and gas. As a result, greenhouse gases have increased dramatically, trapping more heat than the planet can handle. So where does this extra heat go? It warms the air, the oceans, and the land. Glaciers and polar ice melt, causing sea levels to rise. Oceans absorb heat and become warmer and more acidic, harming marine life. Weather patterns shift, leading to longer droughts, stronger hurricanes, and more frequent heat waves. Climate change is not a distant problem affecting only future generations. It is already happening now. Farmers struggle with unpredictable rainfall. Coastal cities face flooding. Wildfires grow larger and more destructive each year. These changes affect food, water, health, and even global stability. But climate change is not just an environmental issue. It is also a social and economic one. Communities with fewer resources are often hit the hardest. Even though they contribute the least to the problem, this raises an important question. Who is responsible, and who should act? The good news is that climate change is not unstoppable. We already know many solutions. Switching to renewable energy like solar and wind can reduce emissions. Improving energy efficiency saves power and money. Protecting forests helps absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Small actions, when multiplied by millions of people, can lead to real change. Governments, companies, and individuals all have a role to play. Policies can support clean energy. Businesses can design more sustainable products. Individuals can make conscious choices about energy use, transportation, and consumption. Climate change forces us to rethink our relationship with the planet. It asks a simple but powerful question. Will we continue on the same path? Or will we choose a different future? The story of climate change is still being written, and the next chapter depends on what we do today.